Welcome back to Nom on a Budget. Let's fire up that Instant Pot today and make a nice tortilla soup. This is a quick, easy weekday recipe, and honestly, it could probably feed an army in the end. So let's get into it. Alright, to get this started, you're going to need to add oil to your Instant Pot. Once it's added, put it into saute mode and allow it to get hot. Once it's hot, add your white onion. After the onion goes in the pot, we're going to start adding the rest of our veggies. We're going to need 1 cup of diced celery, 2 cups of diced carrots, and 5 cloves of garlic. Add them to that pot. Now you're going to let the veggies saute for 5 minutes. This is a good time to remind you that there is a full ingredients list and step-by-step instructions in the description below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like on it. Everything helps. After those veggies are done cooking, your next ingredient is 2 chicken breasts. Nothing fancy, just your standard bird slabs ready to soak up all that flavor. Now for the next ingredient. Just toss 2 cans of black beans in. Mine are literally just labeled beans. No brand, no clue where they came from, but you know what? They'll still get the job done. In goes 1 can of diced tomatoes, and next a little 4-ounce can of green chilies, tiny but mighty, just like the spice should be. Alright, time to add the chicken stock, aka liquid flavor magic. Just pour it in like you're blessing the pot with the essence of chicken. Let it settle in, make some friends, maybe start a little flavor union. This is where the soup stops being sad and starts living its best life. Add 2 cups of water. Spice time. 2 tablespoons of salt because flavor. Then 2 teaspoons of cumin for that earthy goodness. Chili powder, yep, 2 teaspoons. And finally, Italian seasoning. Also 2 teaspoons, because apparently my tortilla soup took a semester abroad in Rome. Just dump it all in like you're summoning the flavor gods and give it a good mix. Place the lid on top and we'll be pressure cooking on high for 12 minutes. Okay, time for the most dramatic moment in any Instant Pot recipe, the manual pressure release. Brace yourself for the steam cloud of glory. Just flip up that valve and let it hiss like it's got something to say. While we wait for the pot to calm down and stop sounding like a train whistle, now's the perfect time to hit that subscribe button. Go on, your future self full of soup and good vibes will thank you. Alright, steam's fading, let's get back into it. Lucky this time it's on top for us. Let's get that chicken out of the pot and give it a good shred. 2 forks, a little elbow grease, and boom, chicken confetti. Doesn't have to be fancy, just pull it apart like you're mildly annoyed with it. Once it's all shredded, back into the soup it goes to live its best steamy life. Okay, last step, you made it. Squeeze in the juices from 2 limes. This adds the perfect bright kick to finish things off. Give it one final stir so those flavors get cozy, and that's it. Tortilla soup done and ready to impress. Don't forget to check out the other recipes on my channel page if you're hungry for more. And hey, thanks for watching. Seriously, you're the real MVP here.